Hi besties. In this video I'm going to be taking down my Valentine's Day decorations. Before I take them down, I do want to show you guys what I decorated here in the kitchen. I didn't really decorate that much just because after Christmas, I don't know, I was just feeling really overwhelmed with all of the decorations. And just yesterday I put all of my totes in the shed that were part of my Christmas decor. So it's taking me this long to get to where everything is out of my home that was for Christmas. So I'm barely getting like back into decorating my home. So we're gonna start decorating for spring next. But I am going to be taking down everything today. So I want to show you guys my decor before I take it down. That's how I decorated my kitchen shelves. I think they look really pretty. I did leave the paper up just because, I don't know, I really like how it looks. I feel like it goes with Valentine's Day as well. So I just left it up from Christmas, but I am going to be taking it down right now. It's not going to go with my spring decor. This top shelf, I put these little cherubs on here. And then I found this little girl, which I think she's adorable. This one right here, look how cute she is. I found her at the thrift store the other day. I just added her right there because I just think she's so cute. This one is also from the thrift store, and this one is from the thrift store. And these three right here are from Dollar Tree. I just think they look really cute right there. I also found this boy and girl at the thrift store the other day. They were 75 cents each. I just have my teapot that my best friend gave me. She gave me this little set right here with the plates. I just think that's so cute. I always use this for Valentine's Day. I just like having it out on display. And then here I have this from Hobby Lobby. This is from Hobby Lobby. And I got this for Christmas. I just think this is so cute. I do have these little spoons. You can barely see them. I got these at Home Goods. I just have them right there. This is also from Hobby Lobby. And this candy containers from Target. And I think I got this little one from Amazon like a long time ago. I just think it looks really nice too. Then down here, I just have my cake plate right here. It's in a shape of a heart. I just think it's really cute. I got this for Christmas last year, well, 2 years ago. And then I just have this Ray Dunn piece. And I got these at Target this year. I just think they're so cute. I kind of want to leave them out because I don't have any other container to put my coffee and sugar in. So for now, I think I'm just going to leave these out. I also picked these up at Target. They were $5 each, and I think these two were 2 for $5, which is a great price. This is how I decorated my mirrors. I just added that garland to the top. That is from Michael's. I just really like how it looks. I love the color of the flowers. And just right here on this corner, I added some Valentine's Day decorations. I think it looks really cute too. And over here, I left my shelf up right here. I think it looks really cute. I just added like a whole bunch of little small decorations that I had. Here's my dining room area. I just decorated it a little bit. I didn't really do the whole tablescape, but I think it looks really beautiful. I really like the little setup of the vase right here. I just added all of these tulips that I already had. And this runner, I bought this during Christmas for 90% off at Hobby Lobby. And even these placemats, I think they're placemats, I got them, I want to say for like $1. That runner must have been like $2. I can't remember exactly, but it was so cheap. And I bought them because I knew that it would go with the Valentine's Day decorations. But I really like how the arrangement came out. I just think it looks really beautiful. And do you guys remember these? These are from Hobby Lobby too. I got them for 90% off. Yeah, 90% off. I left the wrapping paper up here as well. I just think the little shelves came out really cute. I am going to be taking them down. I don't know what I want to do for my spring decor yet, but I don't think I want to have them up here anymore. So I'm going to be taking them down. I actually saw a big sign at Hobby Lobby that I want to buy, but I'm waiting to see if it goes down to 50% soon. It's, I want to say $100. So even for 40% off, I don't know. I'd rather pay $50 for it. It's a really big sign. I think it would look beautiful on this wall, but I think I'm just going to wait just a little bit more because we already know that Hobby Lobby is going to be putting the spring shop decor on sale soon. For me decorating very little this year, I think the table looks really cute. I really like how everything looks. I tried to use very little red decor, but you can see that I have a lot of red decorations, but that's okay. It wasn't like full blown out Christmas here. I think it looks really cute. I really love the pink though for Valentine's Day a lot more. That's why I didn't really decorate that much because I wasn't liking my decorations this year. I don't know. I kind of like more of the neutrals now. But I still like having a lot of color in my home. But I think I was just tired of it from Christmas.
Looking for my mother's eyes as I'm staying close to the mirror. A lock of gold, a secret smile, little things I remember. Place a hand upon my heart as her, she was a believer. Sometimes I can feel her arms holding me as forever. Time changes everything, and everything will change in time. Love changes every heart, and any heart can change you. I see in you my mother's eyes, and I lay your head to my shoulder. A lock of gold, a secret smile, I will tell you when you get older. I place a hand upon your heart, every beat is taking me over, and I will hold you in my arms, pretend we'll stay here forever. Time changes everything, and everything will change in time. Love changes every heart, and any heart can change you. You call, I fall. There's a legacy between us. We grow, we go, but in the middle, time changes everything, and everything will change in time. Love changes every heart, and any heart can change you. Looking for my mother's eyes as I'm staying close to the mirror.
Say my name until the city burns and the stars fade away and your scars don't hurt. Stay with me until the last man falls. I don't need them anyway. When I'm with you, I have it all. Oh, I'll never let you slip away. Oh, and you don't have to be afraid. I will hold you till the sun comes crashing down. I'm yours until the end of time. Say my name until the city burns and the stars fade away and your scars don't hurt. Stay with me until the last man falls. I don't need them anyway. When I'm with you, I have it all. Oh, I'll never let you slip away. Oh, and you don't have to be afraid. I will hold you till the sun comes crashing down. I'm yours until the end of time. Say my name, stay with me till the stars fade away and your scars don't. Say my name, stay with me till the stars fade away and your scars don't hurt. Your scars don't hurt. Come take my hand, I will walk with you. I won't let go till you say so. There isn't anything I wouldn't do. Wanna make sure that you understand. You're the one who gives my life color. There is no one other. With your hand in mine, let me go by your side. Let me go by your side. I wanna stay in your sunlight. I wanna wake up with you by my side. Without you there is no tomorrow. We could be in for the best ride. Want this to last for the rest of our lives. Without you there is no tomorrow.
Finished putting away all of the Valentine's decorations away. I have this bin and I have this bin over here as well. I'm gonna take them outside to my shed. I don't want to leave them in my laundry room, but everything in my shelves are gone, but I forgot those flowers over there.
I'm getting tired of sleep. Think I've had enough. I've been gone but haven't done much healing. It's pretty clear to me. Kinda strange how I can take a beat from my better self. It's like no one else even really scratches the surface. 'Cause nobody gets me. Looking for faith, looking for love in every direction. I'm looking for someone to show me.
I want to show you guys what I bought the other day at Hobby Lobby. I did pick up this little container for the toothpicks. I think this is adorable. It's so cute. I love that it's made out of wood. It's really nice. And I also bought these coasters. I think this is so cute. I like that it's on this little wooden stand and it comes with 4 of them. And you guys, I was going through my closet and I had this way in the corner in the back. I don't remember if I've ever used it. I think I did, and I don't know how it ended up in my closet, but I'm going to use this with my spring decor here in the kitchen. I just think this is really cute. I got it from Home Goods. You can see the price right there, $8. I've had it for a while now, but I just wanted to share it with you guys. I think it's really pretty. But I'm really happy with these wooden pieces from Hobby Lobby. That's all for this video, my friends. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye, besties.